Hey everybody, KB Studios here, and if you remember from my last video, I got a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, and I painted the coil springs and the shocks, and I was looking around and noticed, got a lot of other rusty parts underneath my truck that I kind of like to paint and look all new. One of those things, one of the rustiest, is my brakes up here in the front. They're pretty rusty, so this video is just going to be about me taking care of them so they'll look all nice and shiny, because on Monday my lift kit will get put on, so I want everything to be looking nice and good when my lift kit's on here. So that's what this video is going to be about. We're going to paint some brakes, and sometimes the guys will take them off when they paint them, but I've seen some where they just leave them on and paint them. So that's what we're going to do here, is we're going to try to leave them on and get a nice coat of black paint on them. As you can see, I got some primer and some paint. So, but before we can do that, gotta take care of some of that rust. That's what this is for. So yeah, we'll get started. Alright, now that we got that all nice and cleaned up, we're going to just kind of wipe it down a little bit with some alcohol, shop rag, just wipe it up a bit so that we get all that dust off. Alright, I think we're almost ready to paint. It's really windy, so it is really hard to fight with the trash bag to get it around here, but I managed to do it and got everything taped off pretty good. So I think it is almost time to get started with the painting. Alright, there's the first coat. I'll probably put about 2, maybe 3 coats. I'm not going to go super crazy with this because it's just a brake caliper. It's not even really going to be that visible. I just didn't like seeing all the rust. I decided to just go ahead and paint it, just skip the primer because I don't care that much about it. It's just getting it looking a little bit more new, not as rusty is the big deal. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes just sitting and letting this dry a little bit. So I think now I'll go ahead and put the second coat of paint on. So the paint I've been using is this Duplicolor, and it's what I've used on my suspension, my coil springs, and shocks. So went ahead and used the same for my brakes, and it seems to be working. Alright, check it out everybody. Got the third coat on there, and I think I'm done on this side. So that's about it. That's, I didn't do super particular detailed job on it. It's just a brake, and I just didn't want it to look super rusty. So didn't go all out extreme on it, but just wanted it to look nice and kind of subtle. Alright, that's KB Studio, guys. Thanks for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be plenty more coming out once I get my lift kit on, and I'm also thinking I might want to paint my drive shaft, so plenty of other things, plenty more videos to come, so stay tuned. See you guys next time.